Welcome back to Dad Deals. Today we have more things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in March 2024. They just dropped some new coupons. And if you haven't heard already, Harbor Freight's going to have their spring Black Friday sale starting on Monday, April 8th for those ITC members, and then Friday, April 12th for everyone else. I already did a video on that ad breaking it all down for you, so go check out that if you haven't already. But in the meantime, Harbor Freight has some great coupons, so let's check out what's on sale. First up, this item isn't on sale right now, but it's still a really great price, and it's something that I picked up recently, and it can be really nice as this weather gets warmer. But it's this magnetic screen door, and it's just $10. This thing is super easy to install. You basically install it around the door frame, and it really just creates a hands-free way to go in and outside, maybe in a garage or shop. I have mine hooked up to my garage, so it just lets that nice fresh air in, keeps the bugs out, and allows me to go in and out without worrying about any door handles. But yeah, like I said, this thing's just $10. Also, this is a great thing to pick up if you don't need it right now, to wait until Harbor Freight has one of those weekend sales where everything $10 and under is 30% off. This would be a great thing to pick up. If you have a riding lawnmower and you got it out for this season and found that it had a dead battery like I did, a way to help you prevent that and to make those batteries last a lot longer is to get one of these Trickle Chargers. And this one's on sale right now for just $9. But what I should have done is over the wintertime, I should have taken that battery out of my lawn tractor and hooked it up to this in maybe my garage. And it would have really helped it maintain that charge throughout the wintertime. This one's rated to handle those 12-volt batteries, like I said, like a lawn tractor has. And $9 is a great price. Car washing season is here, and you can get these Grant's extra large ultimate microfiber drying towels for just $5. These things are really premium. They're really soft. And with the huge size, you'd be able to dry off your entire car using just one of these cloths. These 50-foot Greenwood hoses are just $16. They feature nice brass connections. It's a kink-free hose and just a nice solid standard garden hose for a great price. I always go to Harbor Freight for any of my painting supplies. I think they have much better prices than Lowe's and Home Depot or any of the other big box stores out there. Here's a great pack if you have any painting projects coming up. This is in their mid-range quality, but this is just $10, and you're getting the paint tray, liners, a roller, roll brushes, a smaller roller and roll brushes, and a paintbrush, all for just $10. I feel like if you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, you're going to be spending $10 just for one paintbrush. So a great price here on this pack. Pittsburgh has their 1/2-inch drive extendable ratchet, so this thing can actually extend like it says. This is just $17, and again has that Pittsburgh lifetime warranty. So just a really nice ratchet with that telescoping head. Also from Pittsburgh, they have these wood chisels. These are super popular. I've had mine for a long time, and you really just cannot beat these for just $6. That's 25% off the normal price. You're getting a 4-piece set. Chisels are one of those things that's going to take a beating anyway, so not spending an arm and a leg is always nice. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know some of my favorite things are these US General cabinet accessories. And here's one of my favorite of those accessories, and it's the magnetic glove and tissue box dispenser. And these are on sale right now for almost 30% off at just $10. You can get them in any of these colors that you see to match whatever color scheme you've got going on in your shop. These fit the boxes of gloves that you get at Harbor Freight obviously perfectly, and just make always having those gloves at hand's reach super nice and convenient. One sort of hack with these accessories is you don't have to use them on garage cabinets. I've seen people use them on their grills and Blackstone griddles, things like that, griddle carts. So you can really use them anywhere, and they just really are a great quality. Another one of those accessories that I love are these magnetic hooks. These can hold up to 25 pounds, and that's going to blow you away of how much weight this thing can hold. It's just a magnet. They're small little hooks, and they can hold a ton of weight. But these things are just $5, and they also come in all of those colors that you see. And again, I could really see using these on a garage cabinet or on a grill or griddle or something like that as well. And then they also have those US General non-slip toolbox liners on sale for just $6. So if you need some of those, that's a nice price. Some nice air compressors on sale. We have the Fortress 26-gallon, 175 PSI, ultra quiet vertical air compressor. This is on sale right now for $350. That is the same price this is going to be during the spring Black Friday sale. So if you're waiting for that, you can go ahead and just get it now. But these are super nice. That ultra quiet rating is no joke. It really is much quieter than your traditional air compressor, and that just makes using these so much nicer. If you don't need that large capacity, they also have the 10-gallon version for $250 on sale as well in the hot dog design. This Merlin pistol grip blowgun is just $3. It's about 25% off the normal price. And you can also get 25% off any of their hose reels that you see here. Hose reels and cord reels are a great way to keep your shop nice and neat and organized. And 25% off is a pretty good discount for any of these. The Bauer 20-volt grease gun is on sale right now for $100. It is tool only, but you can also opt to do the Bauer deal where if you buy a 5 amp hour battery and charger, you can get this tool for free. So either way, if you need that battery or you don't need that battery, you can take advantage of any of these deals if you're in need of this grease gun. The Daytona wheel dollies with that built-in jack are $110. These are a little pricey, but they are very nice if you ever need to move cars around your shop. And then the Hallmaster 1/4-inch cargo D-ring anchor packs, 2 packs for $2. A great price here to add some additional tie downs on your truck or really anywhere else that you need a trailer, anything like that. $2 for 2 of these is a great price. With the warmer weather here, it's also that time where you can really work on your cars, change the oil if you need to. And if you don't want to use a car jack, these ramp sets are really nice and easy to use. And I actually use these all the time if I'm changing the oil or something like that. But these ramps for ITC members are 28% off right now, which is a nice discount, bringing these all the way down to about $42. And speaking of oil changes, they have a couple other of those accessories on sale as well. You can get the oil pan with a spout for just $5. And long neck funnels are $2. The Hallmaster Camouflage bungee cord 6-packs are $3. And from Quinn Tools, I really like this Quinn brand that Harbor Freight sells. I think they make some really nice hand tools. And here we have the 7-inch diagonal cutters for just $5, as well as the 3/8-inch drive deep socket set, a 10-piece set for $12. From Pittsburgh, they have their 3/8-inch drive, standard and metric high visibility. That's just the markings on the different sockets. It's a 21-piece set for $17 with that nice comfort grip handle. And then also from Pittsburgh, we have their 1/2-inch drive, 25-inch breaker bar for $17. These are always convenient to have. And you can never have too many. But this is the Vanguard 3-way grounded adapters. They're just $2 and can help just manage your cords, especially in a garage or shop. These are rated for both indoor and outdoor use. This Braun 6,000 lumen rechargeable waterproof spotlight is $40. This is an intense light. This can actually float in water. So if you need to use it around a lake or pool or beach or anything like that, it will float. And this thing can blast a ton of light. The battery is rechargeable, built in for over 36 hours of runtime. Has a nice belt clip on it and even has a little pop-up stand on the top. So just a nice light here for $40. You can also get the 1800 lumen waterproof tactical flashlight from Braun for $20. And then one more Braun lighting deal. We have the headlamp. This is the rechargeable version, so it doesn't have that battery pack in the back. And this is $22. One of my favorite new items at Harbor Freight are these clog resistant job site markers. You get a 2-pack for just $1 right now. These are really comparable to the Milwaukee ink Zaws that are probably 3 or 4 times the price, but these work great. And they're just one of those cheap items that are great to pick up every time you go to Harbor Freight. And at just $1, you cannot go wrong picking these up. Safety glasses are also just $1 and are really a no-brainer pickup. Put these everywhere, your car, your truck, your shop, your garage, your house. So you can always have them on hand when you need them. They're just $1. Swivel casters are also just $1. These are your 1 5/8 inch versions, but I love having everything in my garage on casters so I can wheel everything around, get behind things if I accidentally drop something behind it or need to clean behind anything. So you can basically set anything on casters for just $4. The Hardy High Vis work gloves are just $2. These are great if you have any gutter cleaning to do or any gardening to do. These work great, just $2. The Franklin 600-pound hand truck is $55. Just your nice basic hand truck here. Has nice big pneumatic wheels on it. The Greenwood 4-gallon backpack sprayer is $22. I always do recommend, if you can, try to get one of the battery sprayers. This is a hand pump one, but if you have a big area to cover with insecticide or herbicide, this is better than obviously your smaller ones, and $22 is a great price. Keep in mind that this backpack sprayer will be just $19.99, so a couple dollars cheaper during that spring Black Friday sale if you can wait a couple weeks. But it really is just a couple dollars difference. This Bauer 15-inch electric string trimmer, this is the plug-in version, so it's not battery powered. It's just $40. So if you have a smaller yard or you just need something to get you through until you get a better one, $40 is a nice price for one of these. But just keep in mind that you will be tethered by that electrical cord. The Predator Chipper Shredder, this is really the heavy duty one, is $500 right now. This is the exact same price this is going to be during Spring Black Friday. So you have the green light to go get this if you want it. But this is really nice. If you have a lot of branches that you need to chop up, make some mulch. This has a nice gas engine on it and can handle much larger branches than an electric version. The Warrior 3/4 inch to 2.5 inch Whol Saw Set is $25. That's 37% off the normal price. The Bauer Jigsaw, this is a really nice jigsaw. It has a laser. It's corded tool, but really is just made nice, looks good. This is 40% off right now at just $30. So if you're still okay having that corded tool for your jigsaw, check out this deal, 30 bucks. You can't beat that. This Hercules miter saw stand is super nice, has these big wheels on it, is really built heavy duty, one of the nicest ones that I've actually seen. And this is $50 off right now at $150. So a great price on that. The Warrior 4-volt power cutter is $30 right now, 25% off. If you ever had to cut open annoying packaging, this can just make it a breeze. Can also cut through carpet and rugs, can break down boxes for you very fast and easily. So just a great little cutter here. It's rechargeable for $30. The Bauer belt sander is $45. This is corded as well, but it's 18% off the normal price. So just a pretty solid belt sander here. The detail brush set is just really nice to always have. Make sure you're stocked up on these. You can clean car batteries. It's a 6-piece set for just $2. The Bauer 3-gallon 3-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum is $35. I really like the size of this. I do wish it was battery powered, but if you want a corded version, you don't have to worry about that charged up battery. I do really love this size. It's nice and portable, but it still gives you a pretty decent capacity. This Avanti handheld paint and stain sprayer is $45. That's 43% off. But if you wait until Spring Black Friday, this thing's going to be all the way down to just $39.99. So if you need it now, you don't mind paying the extra $5, go ahead and get it. That's still a great price. But this thing's going to be the all-time low I've ever seen it during that sale coming up at just $40. Some nice parts organizers here. We have the large water-resistant storage container for just $6. And then we have the 20-bin part storage case for $7. Both of these have that nice clear see-through lid so you can see exactly what's in there. The Bauer thickness planer is going to be $330. That's $20 off. It is still interesting to see them selling this one as they do have that Hercules version now and they're just so similar. But this one's still pretty solid and a great price. A new item, the Central Machinery 10-inch by 18-inch 5-speed half horsepower benchtop wood lathe is $250. So if you've ever wanted to spin some wood, make some pins, anything like that, this would be a great entry point. And yeah, great price at $250. That's it. Those are the top deals that I found during this last part of March that we have going on. As always, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.